Hey, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to be working on Pisces. Let's splash right on it.
Now you got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark lights in your dark blue eyes, so I can't let you go without telling you this. Now I wanna see you again. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. We can make it for the world to see, 'cause now I know you'll be a part of me. I wanna share my hopes and dreams with you, but will I ever see you again? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? Together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we made like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? Will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I try to hide my feelings inside. I step aside, outside. Wonder where you've been, out there with your friends. Your cell phone all night long. for days straight. Love me, my mind. Love me for days straight. I couldn't get the emotion. Anxiety killing devotion. Bodies are out on the ocean. Oh baby, getting so good at pretending. Hours and hours I'm spending. Holding up high when I'm trembling. Wonder where you've been. Calling out there with your friends. Trying. Your cell phone all night long. Calling you. Couldn't get the emotion. Anxiety killing devotion. Bodies are out on the ocean. Oh baby, getting so good at pretending. Hours and hours I'm spending. Running up high when I'm trembling. Calling you.
Strange brew is what we're used to. Get high all life, that's me and you. Run away to the sunset. Run away with the sky, love far behind. Strange brew is meant for me and you.
Alright, we're running towards the end. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I had trouble coming up with a good balance between good and evil with Pisces. It looks like personality traits are a little conflicting. You can either be super friendly or just straight up evil. As you can see in the two Pisces there. I don't know that many Pisces. I actually don't think I know any of the zodiacs from people. Don't normally go around asking random people what sign they are or what kind of beast or object they represent. I do like the concept of good versus evil or just opposites. I think we all have a little bit of Pisces in each of us. With the way things have been going with Capricorn and Aquarius, hopefully Pisces as the balance. Well, it's not like Libra or anything, but there is a good unforetold future that can go either way, up or down, in coming up March, riding along both sides of good and bad with Pisces. Hopefully Pisces, you don't steer us in any wrong directions, even though for you it wouldn't be so bad. Alright, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, tear down that bell. Until next time, peace out.